The broadcast is now starting. All attendees are in listen-only mode.
Kia ora, everyone. On behalf of Cook Islands Tourism, I would like to welcome you to our final presentation of 2011. Your North American representatives at Cook Islands Tourism are Laura Matar in our U.S. office in Los Angeles, and myself, Marilyn Scott, based in Vancouver, BC. A big me taki mata, which means thank you very much for joining us today. Our theme for this webinar is Sister Islands in the Cooks. Many of you are likely familiar with our main island of Rarotonga, but perhaps haven't thought about what's on offer past this island. Today, we'll be venturing out to some of the outer islands to give you a taste of these fascinating places. We have 4 Cook Islands industry members joining us today. 3 of them are online from Rarotonga, and the 4th is on the small island of Atsu, which is one of the southern group islands that you'll be hearing about today. At the conclusion of the webinar, we'll have a question and answer session, so I would ask that you please hold your questions until that time. I'm quickly going to spend a few minutes on essential information and then pass the presentation over to our guest speakers. So, getting started. The Cook Islands are nestled between Tahiti and Fiji on the east side of the dateline. We are in the same time zone as Hawaii. We're comprised of 15 islands spread over 850 square miles, or approximately 2 million square kilometers of the Pacific Ocean, and we have a total landmass of 148 square miles, or 240 square kilometers. We do have weekly nonstop service to the Cook Islands with Air New Zealand from Los Angeles. The flight is 9.5 hours in duration. Departure from Los Angeles on Sunday evenings, about 10:45 p.m., with arrival into the Cook Islands on Monday morning at 7 a.m. There's also daily nonstop service from Auckland, which is approximately 4 hours, and we also have a weekly Sydney-Rarotonga flight as well with Air New Zealand. The departure on the nonstop on the way back from Rarotonga to Los Angeles is a very late night departure, just a couple of minutes before midnight on Saturday evening, getting back into Los Angeles before noon on Sunday. There's also weekly service with Air Tahiti and Air Rarotonga code share on Air Tahiti equipment. They use the ATR aircraft, and that goes once a week on Tuesdays. When visiting the Cooks, your clients will need a 31-day visitor's visa upon arrival, and there's also a $55 New Zealand departure